In this example, the first thing we want to do is get rid of our parentheses. So we're going to take that -3 and kind of distribute it to each of the exponents of what's inside. So I'm going to have that -2 raised to the -3rd power, x raised to the -3rd power, and then y to the -3 raised to the -3rd power. I'm going to multiply those exponents, and -3 times -3 is going to give me y to the 9th power. Now going to my denominator, to get rid of my parentheses again, I'm going to distribute that -1, so I get x to the -1, and then y to the -1 raised to the -1 will give me y to the +1. When simplifying exponents, I like to get all of my exponents positive before I start combining like terms. So looking in my numerator, I have -2 to the -3rd power. I'm going to move that down to the bottom to get a positive exponent. I also have x to the -3rd. Also going to move that down to the denominator to get a positive exponent. Y to the 9th already has a positive exponent, so I'm going to leave it as y to the 9th in the numerator. Now in my denominator, I have x to the -1. I'm going to move that up to the numerator to get a positive exponent. And then that y to the 1 is going to stay in my denominator because it already has a positive exponent. Now we can simplify from here. Let's get rid of my number first. I have -2 raised to the 3rd. That is similar to saying -2 times -2 times -2. -2 times -2 is 4, times -2 is -8. Okay, then looking at my y's, I have y to the 9th in my numerator and y to the 1st power in my denominator. Since my bigger exponent's in top, I'm going to leave my y up top, and 9 minus 1 will give me 8. Let's look at my x's. I have x cubed in the denominator and x to the 1st in the numerator. Since my bigger exponent is the bottom, I'm going to leave my x in the denominator, and 3 minus 1 will give me 2. Now, when we simplify this, you're going to take that negative that's in the denominator and bring it either to the numerator or out in front. So this is equivalent to saying negative y to the 8th over 8x squared, or you can write it negative y to the 8th over 8x squared.